church, shit, yeah. Everybody got a rest in peace shirt, but they don't feel my pain when I'm lonely and I'm hurt, shit, yeah. My nigga Isaac gone and it hurt. Tears down my face since they put him in a hearse. Looking at his mama make a nigga cry worse. Funeral so big they couldn't put it at a church. I cursed God for years and asked him, why God on the real? Do you take somebody good as Ivan Smith? I said fuck the world. Drunk a gallon straight drink, try to take myself. I brought him more jealousy that made me hate myself. Got some change, made some niggas feel my pain. Give my last if I can have my main, and that's real talk. When this boss pressure get on my shoulder and I need someone to talk to, wish I could call you. Sarah told me, man, she never thought it'd come to this. So many people miss you, wanna kiss you. We was a unit and these niggas took out 50 cents. No more Ivy, how the fuck we gon' pay the rent?
I heard he had that work, shit, yeah. No for putting niggas in the dirt, shit, yeah. We coming, so watch out for the alert, shit, yeah. My nigga dead and gone and it hurts.